کو بولے اس کو میں دے رہا ہوں, اس کو 700 تم دے دو.
اور یہ کتنے کہہ رہے؟
پتہ نہیں کیا بولے تھا.
How much are you willing to pay for it?
I think final price 1,500.
He's asking for 700 only.
I can't do 700. Only 1,500.
Why are you trying to pay more?
یہ کیا بولتے ہیں یار؟
Why the hell are you trying to pay more, man?
He's selling you cheap.
Only in low price. You can
He's
buy
selling
two
you
in
in 700.
Yeah, but I can't pay this. I can only pay 1,500.
I think
He wants.
1,500 is not good price.
What's good price?
1,700 I think.
You said
1,700.
700.
1,700. Okay, acha.
He's saying 700 only.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3,
1,700.
4, 5,
No
6, 7
problem.
only.
Yeah.
And you are willing to pay 1,700?
Yeah, that's a good price. Okay, 2,000. Final price, please.
कितने का दे रहे
Be friendly with me, please. Final price.
اس کو 1000 میں نے بولا فائنل 700 روپے.
Final price. Final price.
کتنا دیا؟
Okay.
700 کاٹ کے واپس کر دو.
Okay, that's a great deal. Thank you,
اس کو
brother.
واپس دے دو.
बहुत شुक्रिया भाई, बहुत शुक्रिया. Where this? There we go.
He's giving it the change.
No, I don't need the change. That's for you, brother. I was just
بول رہے ہیں مجھے
playing.
چینج نہیں چاہیے.
I'm just playing. Okay, that's for you, brother. Okay, शुक्रिया.
ایک کا ادھر لے رہے ہیں.
بول ہاں.
I'm giving this guy an aneurysm. I'm sorry. Shukriya. Good deal.
اس کو بولو
Finish
بابا وہ
five.
چیز لا کے دے رہے تیرے کو.
بول رہے میں I can get you something else from this money.
No, this is for you. Okay, you buy some biryani. You have biryani tonight. Okay.
بولے biryani
Shukriya.
رات میں.
Shukriya, bhai. Shukriya.